Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, we're going to put in some chrome handle covers on the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's do it. So most of the door handles have really heavy and very deep scratches in them that I can't get out, and they look terrible. And I really didn't know what to do, and we were ordering a bunch of parts off Amazon that we needed for it, which you're going to see in some other videos. And we came across these chrome door handle covers for $12.10. I'm going to show you what they are. I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you with that glare. They're called MaxMate. 2010 to 12 Dodge Rams, 2005, 2010 Jeep Commander, Grand Cherokee, chrome four-door handle covers without passenger side keyhole, $12.10. So I took a gamble and I said, let's just get them. So we got them, and they came like 3 days after we ordered them. And so they came really quick, and they don't look too bad. Here's how they come packaged, just like this. I'll pull out one of them right here. This is going to be the outer cover. And they're stuck on with 3M sticky tape. There are no directions, by the way, because that probably would have raised the price another couple dollars. They had to print off some directions, I guess. I don't know. And then this one right here is going to be for the actual handle itself, as you can see, and it's got a really big piece of 3M tape on it. So I'm going to leave these two out because we're going to install this one on video, and then I'll install the other ones off video and then show you guys what it looks like afterwards. It is not normal for me or my wife to want to install chrome stuff on our cars. Other than chrome wheels, we really don't care. But I wanted some way to make these handles look better because they looked really bad. In fact, let me just show you, because I don't know if I ever showed them in any other videos. See that right there? There's nothing I can do with that. Those are really, really deep. And then on the handle itself, camera's probably not going to pick it up. There are deep scratches here. If I walk around the other side, let's see if the camera will pick that. The daylight's kind of throwing it. There's some deep ones right here. Right here. And the driver's is really jacked up. Paint missing completely right here. And then if the camera will pick it up, I'm not sure. There's a lot of scratches in here. Now, I'm not gonna be able to do anything about the scratches in here. They're really deep, but these chrome handles are gonna make it look a lot better. And like I said, me and my wife aren't really into the chrome thing, but there is this chrome trim right here. So I think that the chrome handles are gonna look just fine. So let's put this first one on. Let's hope Brian doesn't mess up on the installation. I think it's pretty straightforward, right? Okay, my phone put up out of the way so it doesn't get broken. Now, one thing my wife did say as soon as she saw them, she said, "Oh, you're gonna hate all the fingerprints. They're gonna be all over these." And yeah, she's right. I'm going to absolutely hate. I'll be cleaning them all the time. So we're gonna use isopropyl alcohol. I'm gonna do my best to not get any of it up on the paint where the wax is. If I do, I'm gonna have to put some wax on it, because it will strip the wax off. But I want to make sure that there's no wax, because I didn't put any wax on the handles, so there shouldn't be, because I already had the handles in the works when I waxed the car. So, and this is the easy part here, to not worry about the wax. But I've got to get, they have tape right here on this little ridge too. So I've got to get the wax or anything that's on there that's going to keep this thing from sticking off. Yeah, I got a little bit on the paint. I knew I would. You pretty much have to try and get all that off of there. Okay, hopefully that's clean enough. You want to make sure it's completely dry. Okay, so when I first put these on just to see what they look like, because I did take them out of the package before I made the video, I tried putting them on like this because I figured that would cover the handle. That's really wrong. It goes on like this. I'm going to show you why I kind of don't like it, but it is what it is for $12.10. It's going to give it the appeal that I want, but I'm going to have to put this piece on first because I won't be able to fit the handle over if I put, or I won't be able to fit this over the handle if I put the handle on first. So here goes nothing. We are going to take off the 3M tape, and if any of you have ever dealt with 3M tape, it's really, really good. If you've ever installed vent visors or anything like that. Where's my wife when I need her? Because I don't have any nails. She's got really nice nails. Okay, hang on just a minute. Okay, so she got all the red tape off for me. And I just noticed while she was doing it, there's a bunch of scratches right here that this is going to cover up, so that's even gonna be better. So we get one shot at this, but it can only fit on one way, so just gonna push it down. Yeah, something's not right. Well, I mean, it's gonna fit, but it does not touch. That doesn't even touch. I think it's as far on as it'll go. It is. The top tape's gonna stick, I guess, or the bottom. One of them's sticking. Yeah, the top and the bottom are, but this outside piece, it's 1/8 of an inch, if not more. But the tape back here is probably touching from the way it looks. They're $12.10. Okay. Oop. Hit my head on the mirror. Okay, so there's that piece. Let's make sure the door handle will open. It will. It's not interfering with the door handle. Now, I peeled this piece back while she was working on those. I'm gonna take this one off. I just have to remember, this goes on here. I'm gonna stand up so I can see what I'm doing. Just like that. It looks nice right there too. Wasn't too bad. It's kind of weird this doesn't line up. But like I said, it wasn't expensive. It's not like it's a $100 set of chrome covers. It's made of high quality ABS plastic, so it should work. Let's wipe her down, get my handprints off of here. That's what I said. I told him that. Every day when I get home and I see it, I'm gonna have to wipe them down. Make sure it opens okay. It does. Feels a little weird because now you feel the cover on the handle. Yeah, good. Okay, so there it is. I should get down here. So see, it looks pretty nice with that chrome trim that says Grand Cherokee on it. Actually doesn't look bad at all. So I'm going to do the other three, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, so all four are on. I can't really pull it out. It's getting late, and I got two cars in the way. When I do my final video of the car being completed, you'll see all this. So if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe so that when I do finish this thing, you will see what this thing finally looks like complete. They look really, really good. The only complaint I really have, I may have to zoom you in. It's kind of hard to tell since it's black, but that's the paint. Like I was telling my wife though, it's really not noticeable. If this was like a red or a blue, it'd be really noticeable, but being black, it's really not all that noticeable. It looks really, really good with that chrome trim. I wish I could get this thing outside, but there we go. What do you guys think of that? For $12.10, that's just a huge upgrade, big improvement to the vehicle. Now they make chrome mirror covers, and when I mentioned it to my wife, she said, mm-mm. So nope. that was a no. Which is fine. Like I said, we're not big on chrome. See, here are all these kids. That's what that is. And these two right here are on as well. I think it looks really good. So what'd you guys think? For $12.10, it really improved the looks of this car, in my opinion. What do you think? Looks really good. She likes them, and it covers all those scratches that I couldn't get rid of. The car is not worth painting, in my opinion. So we are just going to try to make it look the best that we can. And this just, it looks so nice for $12.10. Now, if this was $100, I wouldn't have done it. We'd have stuck with the regular black scratched up handles. But we added it to our order of stuff that we already ordered, or we were going to order, and they are here in like 3 days. It's made by MaxMate, at least that's what it says on Amazon, MaxMate, and it got here really quickly, and it came from Corona, California, is that what it said? Pretty sure it said Corona, California on the envelope that it came in today. So, hope you guys liked it. It's really simple. Anybody can do it. Just make sure that before you do it, you put isopropyl alcohol or something on there to make sure there's no wax on there at all, or no grease or oil or anything, so that the tape will stick. I hope it sticks good. 3M tape normally sticks really well. That's what's on those vent visors, so when you're going on the interstate, they don't fly off your car. So that's it. They look good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that little bell so every time I upload a video, you do get notified, and we will see you in the next Jeep video.